This is the wasteland that we're crossing. And this is the last record of Carlos Toby you'll ever see. I don't know what we're doing. We're headed to some bar. And there's lots of snow. I don't know how deep that end. How deep is that end? My shoes, not fit for the job. Not fit for the job. Smoking their cigarettes. Is that someone's name?
Yep. Walkers.
Ruined someone's artwork. Fuck dork. All of a sudden you see someone come from the tree. He's like, "What are you doing, you fuckers?" Those lights are nice over there.
Yeah, shoot like people.
I wish I could feel the left side of my face. That'd be cool. Because I can't. Funnily enough, I thought this hat might do the job for a while. I was mistaken on that. Alright, I'm putting this away because my